Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to buyy.pk. On this channel our goal is simple: bring you honest reviews, practical products and real value for your money. Whether it's daily use item or outdoor tools, we test the basics so you can buy with confidence. Today we are taking a closer look at this stainless steel powerful slingshots, a classic hunting and target practice tool that making waves for its strength and affordability. This slingshot comes with a solid stainless steel frame which immediately sets its part from plastic or low grade metal options. The frame feels strong, well balanced and durable design. If we are talking about its rubber, the rubber bands are high elastic and flexible, providing smooth tensions and consistent power. When you pull back, the resistance feel controlled, not shaky, which help improve aim and accuracy. This make it suitable not only for experienced user but also for beginners who are still learning proper control and techniques. अगर हम इसके हैंडल की बात करें या ग्रिप की बात करें तो कंफर्टेबल और प्रॉपर एक ऐसी शेप में बनाया हुआ है जिसको नॉर्मली हंटर्स या जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं निशानी की तो वो इजीली इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और ग्रिप में पकड़ सकते हैं। तो इस अंदाज में इसको डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है विच मैनी यूज़र प्रेफर बिकॉज इट्स ईजी टू कंट्रोल एंड फील्स नेचुरल इन हैंड। द कम्पैक्ट साइज आल्सो मेक इट ईजी टू कैरी इन अ बैग और पॉकेट, perfect for outdoor trip practication or casual use. To sum it up, if you are looking for a durable, accurate and affordable slingshot, this one is definitely worth considering. It's a solid choice for target practice, light hunting or anyone who appreciates traditional outdoor tools with modern strength. These products are available on our website buyy.pk, or for quick order or question also WhatsApp number are available in descriptions. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks.